Hello everybody, day 28, 53 users. Okay, so slowly advancing. Um, we ended up finishing all the new testimonials part of the website, and next we are trying to add some way of showcasing how we donate the money and showcase proof that we donate the money. So we want to be transparent there, and we're trying to figure out how to do it nicely without making no issues on showcasing too much information. So we are gonna try to get that in the website. It'd be great to have that done before we create our Indiegogo campaign. I'm really looking forward to get the Indiegogo campaign, and hopefully we can get it done by middle next week. That's kind of the idea. We are getting some action in social media, so exciting when we get some people that views our stuff that is not friends and the press like, so that's great. Still not that much, but yeah, we're getting there. What else? I still didn't have enough time to try those new AI content softwares, and I wanna try one so I can save time on adding new content and posting. Also, it's a big part of that is those will be able to schedule my content much better, because I'm sending 2 pieces of content at the same time during the day, like at the same time when I get the time, and I throw 2 immediately, one after the other one, and they say that's not good. You have to do it one in the morning, one in the afternoon, so it's more spread during the day, and I'm not doing that. I just don't have enough time in my day to do that. But if I get this AI content software to do it for me, then it will be able to do that. Apart from that, it's supposed to help you with many other things, give you ideas, give you many forms to do it. So yeah, we need to try it, and I just do not have time enough to learn a new software, because I am very busy right now at my first job, and my wife went on a trip, and now I am taking care of my son just by myself, so it's a lot to work. But doesn't matter, we're gonna get it done, and we'll keep working on it. So please everybody, download Panbit, share with people, and we're still working, and we'll keep working on it, and we'll see how it goes with the Indiegogo campaign and everything. And yeah, press like, subscribe. Let's go with Panbit. Let's go and get people to donate more money and to get their habits done. Bye everybody. Download Panbit.